Why can a plane lose an engine and still fly safely? Because modern airliners aren't built to hope nothing fails. They're built to keep flying when something does. Here's the short answer. A two-engine airliner is certified so that one engine alone can provide enough performance and control to continue the flight and land safely. Like riding a bicycle with one leg tired, you're weaker, you climb slower, but you're still in control if the system was designed for it. Now the real story. When engineers design a commercial airplane, they don't start with the best day. They start with the worst credible day: heavy aircraft, hot weather, high airport, and an engine that stops producing thrust at the worst possible moment. Then they ask a brutal question: can the airplane still climb, still steer, still cool itself, still generate power, and still land without depending on luck? The hardest moment is takeoff. Close to the ground, there's no time and no room. So certification rules demand proof that the aircraft can handle an engine failure during takeoff and still remain controllable. That's why the airplane has a large vertical tail and powerful rudder authority, because when one engine is pushing and the other isn't, the airplane wants to yaw. The job of the design is to make that yaw controllable, with margin, not drama. And it's not only about control, it's about performance. One engine must be able to produce enough thrust for a safe climb profile after takeoff, even if the climb is shallower than normal. That's why airlines calculate takeoff performance so carefully. Runway length, temperature, altitude, weight, and wind all matter. The airplane isn't overpowered for fun. It's powered to meet a safety requirement when things go wrong. But redundancy isn't just two engines. The real magic is that engines are also power stations. They drive generators for electricity and pumps for hydraulics. Lose an engine, and you may lose some of that power source too, so aircraft systems are designed with multiple independent paths. Hydraulics, usually split into separate systems with different pumps. Electricity, multiple generators, buses, and automatic switching. Even the landing gear and flight controls are designed so that a single failure doesn't take away basic control. The airplane may downgrade, some features might be limited, but it must stay safely flyable. Then there's the operational side. Airlines don't dispatch aircraft like gamblers. They follow strict maintenance and dispatch rules. If certain equipment is inoperative, the aircraft may be grounded or allowed to fly only under specific limits. That discipline matters because redundancy only works when the remaining system is healthy. What about long flights over the ocean? That's where ETOPS comes in, Extended Range Twin-Engine Operational Performance Standards. It's not a permission slip. It's a proof standard. The aircraft, engines, maintenance program, and airline procedures must demonstrate reliability for routes where a diversion airport may be far away. The goal is simple: even if an engine fails, the airplane can fly on the remaining engine to a suitable alternate within approved limits while keeping critical systems supported. Now, don't misunderstand this. Flying on one engine is no big deal. It's a serious abnormal situation. The aircraft is capable, but margins shrink. Climb performance drops. Workload rises. Weather, terrain, and distance matter more. That's why pilots train for it in simulators and why airlines plan routes and alternates with cold realism. So the reason planes can fly with one engine isn't luck, and it isn't just extra power. It's engineering plus rules, design margins, certification testing, redundant systems, disciplined maintenance, and procedures built around the assumption that a failure will happen, so when it does, the aircraft is still a machine you can trust. Now I want to ask you, if you could pick the next topic, would you rather see why planes can land with zero engines, or why helicopters don't get the same kind of engine out options?